Don't you get it, you crustaceous cheapskate? I can't make a double Krabby Patty with the work. I can't put a patty on a bun with lettuce, cheese, onions, tomatoes, ketchup, mustard, pickles, and top bun together in that order.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to Sarah and Andre's YouTube channel. It is Friday, April 24th, and today I'm not doing any vlogs, okay? There's no vlogs today. But before I tell you what this video is about, or if you've seen it in the title already, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel. Also hit that bell notification so that you get notified every single time that we drop, which is every single day, 6 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, 9 a.m. Eastern. All right, you did it. You subscribed, you hit that bell notification. Let's talk about what we're doing today. What I'm doing today is I am doing the real life Krabby Patty. Okay, I grew up watching SpongeBob and I thought, man, I want to recreate something. I want to get back into the kitchen, so I'm going to recreate the cartoon legend, the Krabby Patty. All right, so why don't we head into this? So there's a couple of things that you are going to need for this. You're going to need some hamburgers. You're going to need some salt and pepper. Also going to need some sesame seed buns, a red onion, some original Velveeta slices or American cheese, some vine ripened tomatoes, some pickles, some butter lettuce. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to season this bad boy with a little bit of salt and pepper. Boom, pepper. Now that that is nice and seasoned, I did forget two essential items, and that is we need some mustard and we need some ketchup. Okay, so I'm gonna put these over there. Have your mustard and your ketchup. Hamburger patty is seasoned. We're going to turn this up and get this fired up, ready to go. So yeah, hamburger season's ready to go. Let's prep some vegetables. All right, so what we're gonna wanna do is we need to cut these bad boys into circles. All right, so let's get this knocked out. We're gonna want them pretty decent size. Boom. And we'll just choose from those which ones we want. These a little bit thicker than the onions. Alright, beautiful. So let's pick out which lettuce we want and go from there. We have our lettuce, tomato, and our onions portioned out. Now we need to cook this beef. All right, got the hamburger on, and what we're gonna do next is we need to toast these nice sesame seed buns. So I got some butter. I'm going to spread, and throw it down over there. Got a nice crust on that bad boy. Got our buns toasting over here. And yeah, we're just gonna keep on cooking that, and then we're gonna top it with our cheese and get to assembling.
It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Preparing the Krabby Patty!
So according to SpongeBob, this is how you assemble the illustrious Krabby Patty. So we are going to go with nicely toasted bun on the bottom. We're going to hit it with our patty. Boom. We're going to go with our lettuce. It's kind of funny that he doesn't put the cheese on before the lettuce. He does lettuce, and then he goes with cheese. Next, you're gonna throw on your onions. Boom. Next, we're gonna throw on our tomato. We'll throw on two. Throw on our 2 tomatoes. Boom, right there. Then we're gonna throw on our ketchup. Nice little ketchup drizzle. We're gonna throw on our mustard. Then, last but not least, cannot forget the pickle. throw on 4 pickles. Then top it all off with our nice top bun. And there you have it, the legendary Krabby Patty. Let's see what it looks like compared to the other one. I would say that those are spot on. Well, let's give it a taste. Now, I must say, that is a damn good hamburger. And big shout out to SpongeBob and everybody at the Krusty Krab for coming up with this wonderful creation. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you tomorrow. Peace.